In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size inside Evernote app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the tutorial. Alright, what we need to do is open up our settings app on our mobile phone. But firstly, I'll just show you what the font size inside Evernote is. So it's currently set to this and it's a bit tricky to see. So in order to make it larger and easier to read, what we can do is to click into settings. Once we're inside settings, scroll down and tap into display. Once we're in display, again scroll down and click into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page of font size and style, you will see a slider. And as you can notice, if I move the slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And likewise, if I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side to increase it, and have a play around with that slider and see what size you want to set your Evernote to. Once you're happy with your decision, go back to Evernote and it will be changed accordingly.